Dunks of all time from NBA.com.
Taking him out as a sub yet. Here we got a dribble drive, change of direction by Bryant. Slam dunk.
Woo! I think that's what the fans came to see. And you talk about elevation. Chick, he went up to the rafters before he decided to put somebody on a poster.
That's the 8th rebound already. Barkley. Nobody cut him off. Barkley went all the way for the slam.
They call that coast to coast.
45 seconds remaining in the game. 13 on the shot clock. Down low for Dominique. Baseline drive. Dominique. Oh my goodness! Did you see that jam? I don't know how he did that. Dominique. Oh my goodness!
That was one of the most fantastic dunks of all time.
Gross to the foot race, and here he comes. Doctor looks for daylight. With meaning, he took that to the hoop.
Julius Erving on his approach pass to the takeoff. About 12 feet from the basket. Look at him right up and over Gross.
We're down to 50 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Starks. Yes! What a move by Starks, who was able to sky to the basket.
Starks goes. Oh, so big. What a spectacular move. They swarm him in that double team on the baseline. Now Kemp going to the hoop. A thundering overhand slam! What a play! Holy cow!
21 points in that third quarter.